Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Reef Finance, my friends. So in this video I'm talking about the Reef Finance latest update. What's the current price of Reef? What's the price changes occur in the Reef Finance? And especially this video is a big news for about the Reef holders, my friends. My friends, the big news is that in the last hour, just in the last 60 minutes, the Reef Finance price decreased negative 2.93%. Negative 2.93% the price decrease in the last 1 hour, and 24 hours change is negative 8.1%. 8.1% the price also decrease in the last 1 hour, 24 hours, my friends. But on the other hand, the changes occurred in the last 7 days is positive. So now the people again understand that Reef Finance is good for investment, because the previous change is positive, just the 1 day price change is negative. So you know what, every coin is fast down, every coin is fast down for some time, my friends. Same like that, the Reef Finance also fast down. You can see here, my friends. So the purpose of making this video is just that I know that a lot of people is that when they see small fall, so they decide to sell. So my friends, never decide to sell. That is a temporary fast, and I hope with the passage of time the price change will become positive and they give you profit, not a loss. So just hold it and never decide to sell. My friends, from the price chart it's clear that Reef Finance is a good coin. You can see, my friends, absolutely a massive jump occurred by Reef Finance in the previous time. But from the yesterday, the Reef Finance gradually, my friends, gradually the price of the Reef Finance falls. So never decide to sell, just hold it. I hope they give you profit, not loss in the future. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe now channel for more updates videos.